to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. It's still eco, it's still sustainable lifestyle and all that groovy earth-friendly stuff. But, this has actually been a long time coming. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and then, I don't know, I just never got around to it, But hey, it's here now, and that's what's important. So, what is something you can think of that, like, everybody needs, everybody should, I guess, use, that generally is totally not earth-friendly? Well, it's something, my lovelies, for these little guys here. These little areas of your body that can get swampy, sticky, stinky, odorous, if you will. So today I'm going to share my experience, let me grab it here, my experience with two very, very natural, eco-friendly, sustainable deodorants. Yeah, and then you can decide which one that you want to use. And I will let you know which one I've actually been using for nearly a year. I keep repurchasing this. I absolutely love it. So yeah, stick around and find out my choice for the best natural deodorant.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
So now, this wouldn't be a Refashionista Sherry video if we didn't talk about some kind of fashion in it. So I just want to share this gorgeous house dress that I recently scored at the thrift shop. Now, I hadn't been thrifting in like 4 or 5 months, like in real life thrifting. Of course, I do thrift online when I can afford it because shipping in Canada is ridiculous. But when I spotted this from afar, I was like, oh. And when you just kind of go over and you're sorting through and you see the fabric and it's stunning, and I picked it out and it was even more stunning. And then when I got it home, put it on, and it has pockets. I mean, anyone who wears dresses knows pockets are just a game changer. It just makes the dress. You can actually carry something without having, a bulky purse, which is fantastic. So I do have to replace the zipper though, because it is very, very vintage and little when I'm trying to do it up. So do let me know down below if you want me to, share how to change out a zipper in a vintage dress, and I shall put together a tutorial for you. Yeah, anything else? Oh yes, how gorgeous are my yellow fingernails. I saw this color when I was shopping and I was just like, okay, I have to have it. I just got this gorgeous dress, and I mean, come on. Hello. Oh God, it is fantastic. Sorry, I should be looking here, but I'm looking at here where I can see myself because that looks so cool. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay, enough of the tangents. It is now time to get to the deodorant. So I had been making my own natural deodorant for quite a few years without any issues, and I've shared all of my eco-friendly beauty and bath tips in an ebook. Of course I did, so I shall link it down below for you if you're interested in checking that out. And, unfortunately, something happens as your body starts getting older, and sometimes it decides, or certain parts of your body decide that no, we don't like that product anymore. We don't want you to use that anymore. We're going to break out into a rash and be annoying. So I was on the hunt for, some type of deodorant ingredients that, my skin wasn't liking anymore. So it had to be free of all that kind of stuff. And of course, no perfumes, none of that. And, that's super duper hard to find. So after searching in stores and searching online for what seemed like forever, I finally found Nuud. And this has like no perfumes, nothing like that in it. And it's from the Netherlands, so cool. And it comes in this really nice, adorable little box. And it falls out. Moment. I'm back. So this is what the tube looks like. And according to the instructions, you just use like a tiny little amount. It's basically a cream, and it supposedly is effective for 3 to 7 days with one application. So, okay, awesome. Sounds great. Let's have a look at the other one. Super Deodorant. This is actually a Canadian company, so yay Canadians, I'm Canadian. And of course the shipping is free for me, which is even better. And this one again claims to last for like a minimum of a day or two without having to reapply it. And that includes, taking a shower and everything. I mean, provided you're not scrubbing it off of your body. And the good thing with these natural deodorants is they're not antiperspirants. And a lot of the kind of drugstore products that you get, and those sticks and everything, are actually antiperspirants. So you're not sweating, but you know what? Your body kind of has to sweat. The problem, of course, is that sweat and everything can breed and be a wonderful little home for bacteria. And that's the thing that stinks. That's the part that stinks. So what your body needs to do is sweat, but you want to counteract the stinky bacteria with something that kind of, neutralizes it and gets rid of that. And that is what natural deodorants do. It still allows your body to sweat, but it neutralizes and gets rid of the stinky bacteria, which is great. I mean, I really don't mind sweating. Our bodies sweat for a reason. It's to cool us off when we get overheated. So, I mean, who cares if you have a little bit of wetness under your arms, as long as you're not walking around reeking. That is what is important, right? So, I mean, people who don't like natural deodorants, okay, cool. Go around, you can smell like, what is it, like dragon breath or flower butt, I don't know, whatever the names of these ones are, the perfumey ones. I don't care. If you want to smell like that, go ahead. For my own self, my little armpits do not like perfumes. I do not like to clog up my armpit pores with antiperspirants and everything, because it's really not good for you. It's not, your body needs to sweat, people. Let it sweat, but neutralize the odors. So let's put these to the test now. So welcome to my little bathroom. Now, this truly is the worst lighting in the world, but what are you gonna do? So what I was thinking to test these little natural deodorants, the best thing to do probably is to put them on, clearly, and then just kind of go about my normal day as I would with normal sweating and everything. It is actually, July right now, and it is very, very hot and humid, so it's the perfect time to test these deodorants out. Now, I've already done my workout this morning, so I'm going to, like I said, go about my day today, and then when I get up tomorrow, I'm going to do my workout and everything. I'm not going to shower, not going to do anything, not going to put on any more deodorant or anything. So then it's going to be like a full day plus a workout, and then we're going to do, the sniff test and see. Hopefully, actually, I'm going to make it through this day. I'm just assuming I'm going to make it through the day plus a workout, but we'll see. So I'm going to put each deodorant under one of my armpits. I mean, clearly I have two deodorants. I have two armpits. It makes sense. And yeah, I don't stink now. I'm showered, I'm fresh. So let's start with the Nuud. And as I said, it says to put like a pea-sized kind of drop. Oh, okay, it's nice. It has the little safety seal. Take that off. And which one? Let's do Nuud under the left pit. So let's remember that, right? Nuud is under the left. I mean, does that look like pea-sized, I guess? I mean, it's more of a line, but okay. So, oh, it's actually nice and smooth. It really is going on just like a cream, for real. And there's really no smell to it. Like, there clearly is no perfumes in this, which is great. Okay, so as you can see, I've kind of gone all over the whole area there. And I mean, everybody knows their own body. And I know that my stinky areas in my pits are literally this area here, more in the, you know, the indent in the pit, which again makes perfect sense. I don't know why I'm sharing that. Anyway, let's do super deodorant, which actually comes in a nice little tin, like an aluminum tin. Sorry, I have the camera here, the mirror here, and I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to be looking, so bear with me. But I'm gonna say that, can you get it open? It's a bit picky. It's a bit picky. So, all right. Well, unfortunately, there's a strike against super deodorant because, oh, there, I got it. Oh, okay, I see the problem. So because it is so hot right now in Toronto, this has gotten a little bit melty, but you can still see, I think, where should I show it here? There we go. You can see how that looks. I guess I should have done that with the Nuud as well, but yeah. And again, no smell. Except, you know, the natural smell of the ingredients. This one kind of smells like, kind of like clay a little bit, but I think it should probably dissipate. And again, I'm just going to use about the same amount. And let's do the same thing on the right armpit. This goes on exactly the same as the Nuud, just like a nice little cream, you know. Like if you're just putting on lotion, that's what it seems like. And I mean, the smell's already gone. So yeah, neither smell. So do we remember? We have Nuud on the left and super deodorant on the right. So the Netherlands versus Canada. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go about my day. And we will do a few updates and see how it goes. And yeah, talk to you later. Sorry about that, but I just got back from running a bunch of errands and shopping, and it is 33 degrees Celsius with extremely high humidity outside, which is, I mean, I am just a sweat bag right now, which is good. The perfect conditions for testing deodorant, right? So I actually don't have a vehicle. So when I go and run errands, I have my little cart with me. And yeah, I'm walking everywhere, which, you know, in this heat, it's a pretty sweaty business to be doing that. So I went to the post office to send some packages. I did some supermarketing and just some other stuff that's, I mean, who cares, right? But anyway, suffice to say, I was outside in this heat for a good hour and a half or so. And yeah, now I'm home, super sweaty. Let's do the smell test. So on the left one, we have the Nuud. Totally fine. Like, of course, I'm a bit sweaty, but again, your body needs to sweat. It's its way of trying to cool you down. And on the right side, the super deodorant. And again, absolutely no smell at all. Just a bit of wetness, which is actually not a bad thing again, because my body needs to try to cool itself down. So while I was in the supermarket, I was thinking, what should I make for dinner? And then I remembered, hey, grab some chickpeas and I'll throw together my chickpea concoction. I don't really have a special name for it or anything, but I will put the recipe down below. I did make a video all about how to make it because it really is one of the favorite things that we eat, and it's quick and easy and super cheap, and you can probably just use stuff you already have already in your kitchen. As long as you have a can of chickpeas, you're set, ready to go. So yeah, I'll put the link to that down below for you guys. And let's just do a little list, I guess, of what have I done today since putting on the deodorant. Well, I did a bunch of work, of course. But again, that's kind of sitting in my studio on my computer. Not a lot of sweat going on there, but I mean, a lot of mental sweat. Yeah, and then, like I said, I did errands and running around outside for about an hour and a half. And hey, so far so good. So I'll check in again later. Good morning. It is now the next day, and when I woke up, I did do a quick smell check and both were fine. I have just finished my daily morning workout, so I am super sweaty, plus it is still crazy hot here. So let's do another test and have a little check here. The nude side. The nude side has kind of had it. I'm getting a little bit of a whiff here, not a lot. But I mean, it's enough that I would actually, you know, shower and reapply for sure. So I'm going to say the nude lasted for less than 24 hours, which, I mean, still not bad at all, right? For kind of, you know, no smelling protection. All right, now super deodorant. Super deodorant, absolutely fine. Again, I'm sweaty and everything, but no, zero smell, nothing. So because they do claim to kind of withstand a shower, I'm going to further test the super deodorant and go have a shower. And I'm not going to, of course, scrub and everything, but I'm going to definitely give it a good rinse and see, you know, is it really going to last through a shower? So let's go do that, and I shall get ready for my day and see you in a minute. I'm back. And I've already done tons of work today, including the photo shoot for my next thrifty celeb copycat look, which is of Emily Blunt. And I created this one shoulder kind of ruffle sleeve top for that. So I'll put the link around for you guys. So you know what? This video does contain a refashion, but you got to click the link to go and get it. Now, for the deodorant, I 100% love super deodorant. I mean, fine, it doesn't have as nice of packaging as the Nuud, but like I said at the very beginning of the video, if you remember, I have been using one of these for nearly a year, and it is super deodorant, and I love it. My kiddo actually uses the Nuud, and it is fine for her, but I find that the super deodorant, absolutely, I can go for like 3 or 4 days without having to reapply, and that's including showering. As I said before, it does mean, you know, not scrubbing armpits or anything, but, I mean, come on, it does also depend on what I'm doing. If I'm doing yard work and mowing the lawn and lots of kind of heavy duty, sweaty work, ooh, that's hard, just heavy duty, sweaty work, then, you know, I kind of have to shower and reapply it, of course, as you would with any kind of deodorant. But for real, get some super deodorant. It is so not expensive at all, and it does last for a long time. And you can reuse the little cute container. And of course, it's also totally recyclable because it is aluminum. But I use these, they're just great little containers. I mean, you can even decorate it and use it as a little gift box, whatever. So if you guys have any questions, if you have any products that you would like me to review that are, you know, eco and sustainable, please do let me know in a comment below so I can check them out for you. And yeah, this was not sponsored, by the way. That was something I should have said at the very beginning of the video. This video was not sponsored whatsoever. Like I said, it was just something that I really wanted to share because I am so happy with my super deodorant. And yeah, as always, you know, head on over to refashionistasherry.com, and there you'll just find everything, all of my hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of free tutorials, my ebooks, loads of ethical fashion info, pre-loved style inspiration. I mean, it's all over there, so why not just head on over and check it all out. Yeah, follow me everywhere on social media. All the links are down below, and until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.